During the Second World War, new units were set up and engineers were further specialized. From the infantry engineers who provided support to the infantry through assault engineers who distinguished themselves as experts in close combat and house-to-house combat, especially in Stalingrad, to specialized units such as rock drilling companies and the road construction engineers who were becoming increasingly important in the Eastern Campaign. What were the differences to the infantry? In contrast to the infantry, the engineers were used more defensively and were intended to support infantry and armored units in their advance. The principle was, support the movement of your own troops and limit the mobility of the enemy. The equipment shown here is from an engineer in the Wehrmacht around 1943. Like the normal infantryman, he wears the Stahlhelm Modell 1942, a field blouse and field trousers Modell 1943, lace-up shoes Modell 1937, together with the corresponding gaiters. The characteristic shoulder boards with black piping are attached to the field blouse, which make him recognizable as an engineer. The clearest feature that distinguishes the engineer from the normal infantryman is the Sturmgepäck, which roughly translates to assault pack. At the back, designed as a kind of backpack, there are two 3-kilogram explosive devices to destroy barricades or enemy tanks. Behind that is a larger pocket for personal items and the Zeltbahn. The mess kit is wrapped in on top. The spade is attached to the left side of the assault pack. The engineer spade is longer than the normal army spade to make larger digging more effective. The engineer carries two smaller pockets in the front. On the left there are usually two 1-kilogram explosive charges. But contemporary photos often show that stick grenades or mines were also stowed there. There are small compartments on the pockets, each of which holds a cartridge clip for the K98. These compartments replace the normal infantryman's cartridge pouches. The right pocket is used to hold a gas mask, as the engineer does not receive the characteristic gas mask can. Other engineer equipment include tools such as saws and wire cutters, mine keys for arming anti-tank and other mines, and the bayonet, which was also used for mine detection. The engineers had two versions of the wire cutter. The smaller version can also be found among the infantry and, thanks to its shape, is perfect for cutting wire barricades while lying down. It was usually simply tucked into the belt, but there was also a dedicated leather pouch. The large wire cutters are very similar to the model from World War I and have a considerably longer lever. This means that more force can be applied to the cutting edges. It also has the advantage that you are about 1 meter away from the barbed wire you are cutting. Many engineers also carried a pistol with them in order to defend themselves in certain situations and rooms in which the main weapon, for example the rifle or the flamethrower, were too heavy or too bulky. If you liked that video, then please leave us a like, and in order to not miss any of our future uploads, please subscribe to our channel.